Today's video is all about a powerful and easy-to-use VPN that can help you achieve fast, secure, and unlimited browsing. If you are looking for a reliable VPN with multiple protocol options and smooth performance, then this guide is for you. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, open any browser on your device, such as Chrome or any other browser you prefer. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and type UDP Custom Website and press Enter. This will show you a list of results. From the search results, tap on the official UDP Custom website. Make sure you select the correct official link so you land on the homepage without any issues. Once you are on the homepage, look for the menu icon, usually located at the top corner of the screen, and tap on it. A list of options will appear. From this menu, find and tap on the Free VPN option. This will take you to a page where multiple VPNs are listed. Scroll through the list until you find Tunnel VPN and tap on it to proceed. Now you will see the install option. Tap on the install button to begin downloading the VPN. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes, so be patient and allow the installation to complete. Once the installation is finished, you will see an Open button. Tap on it to launch the Tunnel VPN application. When the app opens, you will be taken to its home screen. You may see a notification permission request. This is optional, so you can either allow or skip it. After reaching the home screen, make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is turned on because the VPN needs an internet connection to load available servers. Once the servers are loaded, the app may refresh automatically, so just wait a few seconds. Now, let's understand how to use the VPN. The interface is simple and divided into two main sections, one for selecting servers and the other for choosing protocols. To select a server, tap on the Server section. You will see a list of different server locations. Choose any server based on your preference. You can change the server anytime. Next, to choose a protocol, tap on the Tweaks button. This will open a list of built-in configurations. Scroll through the list and select any protocol that works best for your network. If you want more control, you can use custom settings. Simply tap on the radio button in the top corner next to the Custom Settings option. A new window will open where you can select protocols like SLOWDNS, V2RAY, SSL, and others. Some of these require custom servers, while others can work with built-in ones. Once everything is set up, go back to the home screen. You will see a large Start button. Tap on it to connect the VPN. Within a few seconds, your connection will be established. If you want to share your VPN connection with other devices, open the side menu and tap on the tethering option. Turn it on, and you can use the VPN connection on other devices like a computer or another phone. That's it for today's video. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials. See you in the next video.